Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's makeup look is something that I was scared to do my entire life. I never liked green, and growing up a lot of people told me, oh, dark skin, green never looks good on you. So I just wanted to step out of my comfort zone and do something fun. So I hope you enjoy this look, and if you like this look, keep on watching. So primer first, prep your face, it's very important. So I know my beauty blender is dirty. Please clean your beauty blenders. You don't want to put dirt in your face. I just forgot. So today I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 420. Now I'm gonna use this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Cool Tan. Now I'm gonna use this Makeup Revolution baking powder in the shade Banana. So today I'm not baking my under eyes, I'm only applying so it doesn't crease. And I'm gonna use this Laura Mercier translucent powder to powder my face, and this is the shade Medium Deep. Now I'm gonna fill my eyebrows really quick with this Rimmel London brow gel. And now I'm gonna take some concealer and clean my eyebrows. Now I'm gonna use some Milani eyebrow gel to seal my eyebrows to my forehead, otherwise it's gonna fly away. Something I like to do is put this eyebrow gel to my baby hair. See, it works. So none of my eyeshadow palettes has the dark brown shade that I need. So I'm gonna use this E.L.F. Contour palette, this darker shade, and I'm gonna put this on my crease. I'm gonna use this green shade on my eyelid. So something that I learned, if you spray your eyeshadow brush with some facial mist, setting spray, water, the glitter sticks more to your eyelid. And now I'm gonna take this black shade from Urban Decay Naked 2 palette, and I'm gonna put this outer third of my eyelid. And now I'm gonna use this light green shade and put it center of my eyelid as a highlighting color. I don't know, for some reason I like how this came out, but not this. So I'm gonna blend it. So now I'm gonna do a wing eyeliner with this Kat Von D tattoo liner. Now I'm gonna use this black eyeliner pencil on my waterline. I want to use this same black shadow right here, at least half away, so I'm gonna use the same black shade. And now I'm gonna pop these eyelashes with duo eyelash glue. And now I'm gonna use mascara on my bottom lashes. Now I'm gonna do some contouring with the E.L.F. contour palette. Now I'm gonna use my all-time favorite Bobbi brown highlighter in the shade Pink Glow. gonna use this peach shade blush from Crown eyeshadow palette. Today I'm gonna use this NYX Urban Cafe lip liner. So I have a bold eyeshadow look, so I don't want to go for too dark bold lips too. So I'm gonna use this bronzy shade lipstick from Smashbox. To set everything in place, I'm gonna use this E.L.F. Matte Magic Setting Spray. So this is what I came up with, and I never tried this look before. So I hope you enjoy it, and if you like it, leave a comment, like, and subscribe.